Welcome guys in another video, and in this video I'm going to show you like how you insure your car in USA. And this is my second video of my channel, and I will show you the complete way like how you insure your vehicle or any auto in USA, whether whatever state you are belonging to, and in which city you are living. It doesn't matter at all you have to do is to insure your car whenever, or if you are living in, or you are an inhabitant of the USA. So I will tell you the way like how you insure your car in USA. So first we will search on Google about car insurance in USA. So I will use that, in USA, insurance in USA, and I will press enter. And after that there comes multiple sites that are sponsored or the simple ones, and by that sites you can get like how you insure your car. Okay, so this is basically the car in accident and law firm, you can say, but we need the law firm insurance. But there are multiple things that we can look to it, which is basically only the law insurance. So I will cut that from it and we'll just search the law insurance. So this is how you insure your car basically, and there are multiple sites that are showing here. And the first one is the car insurance, the classic car insurance, which is the lelandwest.com, and after that cheap car insurance, which is by the thomaswaters.com, and Lou Wins is also a car insurance company. The RG Insurance is also a car insurance company, and the Forbes is also a car insurance company. So you have to choose and check that which company providing you the best and the quality service for your car insurance. So I will check one by one into the videos, and we'll check the course of that videos, that which video is much and the better for the car insurance of my vehicle type. So there are multiple types of the insurance, and one of them is basically the home auto insurance, or you can say that the other type is the commercial vehicle insurance. So if you are belong to some else company, then you have to choose the vehicle insurance company. The you can say that the, and for your home cars you can choose the package of the home insurance companies. So the two packages are different and you have to choose one of them. So I will choose here the Geeko, which is also a car insurance company. I will choose and check his plans and the codes for car insurance. So we can review the code. We just enter the zip code here and we can review that code. So it will allow you to access your location, and if you are living in USA, so you can check that. Okay, after that furthermore, this language is basically also supports the Espanol language, which is basically from Portuguese, and you can just click this language and will get your car code for it. Furthermore, I will show you multiple websites. Yeah, you can show how does the car insurance work in unit. Car insurance cover damages to your vehicle, protect you financially if you are liable for someone else's injuries and damages. Okay, so there are multiple questions that people may ask, which people, so here is the vehicle. Here is also the progressive car insurance company, which I will show you in the next tab, but it is not accessible at the time right now. So I think Geeko is the good company you can choose in. I also have another video on Geeko, which provides a good best services. And thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for your watching videos, and please give it a thumbs up if you like my video. And in the next video I'm going to show you another type of the car insurance, or the car insurance by different other companies. And stay connected with me and stay tuned Good to see you, and we'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. Good day to you.